Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equipment Remarketing. I'm going to give you here a video of a 2014 Moffett M55 sitting here showing 2,454 hours. Once again, 2,454 hours. Now this thing comes with a backrest. It's got brick and block forks, but we can replace those with standard pallet forks at no cost. So you can keep the brick and block forks, or you can switch them out for free for pallet forks, but it's either or. If you want both, that'll be extra. Now this thing has been completely refurbished and repainted. What we've done here is when we repaint these, we take off the roll cage, the diamond plating, many of your removable plates. Some plates are new here, your battery cover, the hoods, the seat, and then we paint this all separately. All the gray parts are painted separately, and we put it back together so you have a nice finish in between everything. Also, you have all new decals. Now we've also refurbished this. What we do is we look for anything leaking, such as hoses, cylinders, wheel motors, any type of thing like that. We pressure and leak test the system. As you can see, there's new hoses here and there, evidences of where we change those when we find them bad. Also, we do look for anything worn, such as pins, bushings, mass bearings, chains, rollers, anything that's out of spec. We go ahead and replace that. You also here have a 10-foot mast, brand new seat. Let's take a look back here. You have a Kubota V2203. We'll guarantee this engine for 30 days after your purchase. We'll also give you what we call an operational guarantee. What that simply means is it's going to show up in the condition we're showing you here today, or we're going to help you get it fixed. Very short term, just when it shows up. You can buy online and be confident you're going to get what you're seeing here. Now we're going to go ahead and show you that nice clean engine compartment, your V2203 Kubota engine. Now we're going to go ahead and fire it up and give you a little bit of demo here, and then we're going to end the video. So what we're going to do is fire up this Kubota engine. You can see how nice she runs. All your lights are working. We're going to do the glow plugs. Now we're going to fire it up here. We're going to show you a little bit of mast operations. Here's your mast going up and down. We have tilt and side shift. We have outriggers. We also have the mast going in and out. Now we're going to drive it around for you, show you all your wheel motors are in sync and your steering's tight. This thing runs great. You can see you got your backup alarm. Now you can give us a call at 260-238-4998, 260-238-4998. You can also check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thanks for checking out this video.